When installing your angle tension kit, the first thing you will need to do is to locate both the 5/16 and 1/2 inch holes on the post. The 5/16 hole will be on the inside of the post, and the 1/2 inch holes will be on the outside of the posts. These will be offset to accommodate the angle of the stairs. Next, get the threaded crimp fitting and adhesive sleeve ready. Place the adhesive sleeve onto the cable first, making sure that the adhesive sleeve is facing the 5/16 inch hole. Then, place the threaded crimp fitting onto the end of your cable. Crimp the fitting twice, making sure the 10 is visible on both crimp locations. Insert the threaded crimp fitting through the post and out the far side. Then, slide the angle washer onto the cable against the post. Then, thread the tension receiver onto the fitting a few rotations by hand. Place your hand on the cable and gently pull the tension receiver into the post to make sure it is snug. Next, place the neoprene sleeve onto the cable close to the post. Grip the sleeve with pliers to keep the cable from spinning as you tighten. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the tension receiver, making sure to keep the cable from spinning. Once fully tightened, remove the Allen wrench and the sleeve. Finally, remove the sticker from the adhesive sleeve and firmly press the sleeve against the post to ensure a strong connection. Your angle tension kit should now be successfully installed.